Hey there. So I'm going to show you how to show the macOS visibility keyboard, but more importantly, I'm going to show you how to get the macOS accessibility keyboard, as I should have called it there, to show a full screen, a full size keyboard with the numeric keypad and whatnot, because it doesn't by default. So first off, if we go into, I believe, keyboard. And you have these things here, and you hit input sources, and down here you would check this to enable it, which this thing here checks show input menu in the menu bar, which will enable this menu up here, which see you can show emoji and symbols if you want to tap a bunch of smileys into something on your computer, but you also have the ability to show the keyboard viewer. And so we now are looking at the accessibility keyboard viewer, which, as you might notice, is not a full-size keyboard, even though I have a full keyboard connected to the computer. It used to be that it would, know which you had. It doesn't anymore. I don't know. So we're going to hit the three dots in the upper right-hand corner of this window, and we're going to go down to Customize, which brings up the panel editor for the accessibility keyboard viewer, active panel collection, as it said. We're going to go ahead and move this out of the way for a moment. So we hit Add Panel, and you choose the layout. Large implies that it's full, that it has the thing. And in my case, I want the ANSI, but you may want ISO or whatever. You may want one of those. Numeric is literally just the numeric keys. So I'm going to choose this guy here. You may notice that there is no insert key. It's got an FN, so whatever. There's lots of other things that you can do, like if you click on it here, you'll see this. See, so you can add additional panels, and then like things, whatever. You can actually add a whole bunch of stuff. But I'm just here to show you how to make a full keyboard show up. So the next thing to do is to make it show this as the home panel. Then we would go File and go down and hit Save. And if you ever want to undo this, you just reopen. Alright, so we hit yes. I should probably keep it going in one order here. So we hit yes to say that we would like to restart the accessibility keyboard. And now we have the full keyboard on here. And you can see that I am hitting the 4 key on the numeric keypad. Isn't that nifty? Or the arrows. Look at that stuff. I love it. Okay, so then we can close that. Now, if you want to change it back to the short keyboard, you would click this and you would hit Customize down here. And now you have the panel editor, and we would just hit Move Panel, and then File, Save, and then hit Yes. And now you have the crappy keyboard that's not what we wanted, but I showed you how to undo it. So again, we just hit this, we hit Customize, which brings this up, which is already up. So add a panel, NC large, then choose it to be at the home panel, File, Save. See, if you don't set it for home panel, it'll show it up above the other keyboard, and that's not helpful. So there we go, a full keyboard. Just what everybody wanted. We need our numeric keypad, please. Alright, so there you go.